Hey friends, welcome to our Utsuk YouTube channel. This is our second video tutorial on Java programming. So in the previous section, I have already decided that I'm gonna categorize the Java tutorial into three categorization, that is basic, intermediate and advanced. So let's move with the basic level of Java programming language. In this tutorial session, I'm gonna cover how to create and run project in Netbeans. After that, we will look through some settings in Netbeans and we will write the first Java program. So, how to create and run a project in Netbeans? Let's move to the Netbeans IDE. Simply open up your Netbeans IDE. As in previous session, I have already discussed how to install Netbeans IDE. After opening the Netbeans, we can see that this is our Netbeans IDE 11.3 version. Before moving into the coding section, I'm gonna check my JDK version. As you can see that my JDK version is 1.8.0, and in the previous video of Java part 1, I have shown you to install this version of Java, but the current version of Netbeans only supports the latest version of JDK. So in order to download the latest version of JDK, go to the link in the description below and download it and install it. As in my case, I have already downloaded and installed in this location. So simply close it. Now you can open where the Netbeans IDE is installed. So this is my Netbeans IDE installed location. Here you can see that it's installed in program files, Netbeans 11.3 and Netbeans. Go to the etc folder and copy this netbeans.conf file to your desktop. So let's see how to set up Java JDK 14.0 into our Netbeans IDE. Go to your Windows, C drive, go to the program files and search for Java. So you can see this Java JDK 14.0.1. So I'm gonna copy this JDK path. Simply copy this. Now you're gonna change this into the Netbeans conf file. So here is the path. Delete this path and paste it here and save this file. Now you're gonna replace the file that is in etc folder. Open the file location. Go to the Netbeans. Here in the etc folder, you're gonna simply paste this and replace the file. Click on continue. Now if we open Netbeans IDE and check for the versions of Java JDK, as you can see that our JDK version is updated to the 14.0.1. Now in order to make the new project, click on new project here, choose Java with and Java application, click next, then click on download and activate, click next, I accept and install. Click finished. Now you can create your first Java project, as choose the location from here. So I'm gonna choose the location in my this E drive. So I'm gonna make one new folder name with Java basic. Click open. Now give the project name practice underscore 01. As you can give any name to the project. Click finish. So we can see that our first Java project has been created by Netbeans IDE, and these comments are auto generated by IDE. So remove this. So as you can see that the project structure here, within the project structure, here is the source package, and the package is created as practice01 package practice01, and within the package there is a class name with practice01 again. Within this class hello, there is one main function name with public static void main. So in order to zoom, press alt key in your keyboard and scroll your mouse, as you can see this. So this is our first project, and we're gonna start from printing our hello world program. System.out.println, say here hello world. In order to run the Java program, you can click here and run it. You can see this. Our first Java program is successfully implemented. So in order to understand how these programs are working and what are these method like public static, what does this void function means, so in order to get information about how this program is being implemented, let's move to the theoretical section of first Java program. As this is the class that the Netbeans generates, and we have also modified the name of our class as hello. After that, this is our main method, and this is the line that prints the hello world in our program. Now let's break down this section and look how this code actually works. So this is the main method. This is our public access modifier, which specifies from where and who can access it. After that, this is the static keyword associated with a method. It is a keyword. This is our return type. It is a keyword used to specify that a method does not return anything. And this is our identifier that Java virtual machine looks for as a starting point of the Java program. Whenever the program starts, so it looks for the main identifier by the Java virtual machine, and this stores the command line arguments, and its type is of array type, which is defined in java.lang.string class. So what actually it does is, whenever the Java program is run, then it searches for the main method, and this is our Java main method. After that, we're gonna look at how the hello world program is being printed. So this is our syntax, and this is our program to print the hello world. As you can see that here is system out println and some of the text written here. So this system is actually the class that is defined in java.lang.package. So this is the class that is provided by Java, and within that class there is a public and static member field of the system class. This out is actually the static member, and that is defined within the system class. And this println, what actually it does is, whatever we pass here, it simply prints in the console. So it prints any argument passed to it and adds a new line to the output. Println refers to the print in new line. So let's practice more printing program. If we run this program, it simply says hello world. So in order to run from keyboard, press F6 button. So let's print some of the stuffs. If we run this program, the output we're gonna get is hello world, and in the next line we will get hey there. As this is because we have used print in new line, this refers to the print in new line. So let's see what output we get. hello world is being printed in first line, and hey there is again printed in second line. So in every time you not need to type all of these like system dot out dot. So this seems to be very time consuming. Simply press S out and hit tab in your keyboard. The auto completion has been provided by Netbeans IDE. So there are some of the shortcuts that you can use in Netbeans IDE, such as if you want to create this main method, then you don't have to write all of this code like public void static main and you're gonna type string. These overall content can be simply gained through auto completion code psvm tab. Netbeans had provided the shortcuts for generating the code. Now simply type s out and tap. Then you can write here anything. Welcome to channel. In order to run your program, press F6 in your keyboard. Welcome to Utsuk channel. There are mainly three types of printing method. So this prints the our message or our text into the new line. So if you want to print in a single line, you can put here print and welcome to Utsuk. Now here also print there. So this gonna gives us output as welcome to Utsuk channel, and in the same line it will print hey there. As you can see by running your program here, you can see this welcome to Utsuk channel, and it's not breaking the line or giving me the new line, but it's printing in the same line hey there. This is because of as we have used print method, and here also print. So there is another next method to print as well, and that is formatted text. You can use as printf, and this gonna gives us in a formatted text. As if you want to print the string, then keep here %s and type here hello world. So this gonna give me the string in a formatted text. If we use the printf method, then we have to give the format of the text as %s refers to the string. So if we run this, we're gonna get welcome to Utsuk channel, hey there, hello world. So this is considered as the powerful method of printf versions, and basically in Java program we generally use the println function to print the text. So if you want to print the text in a new line, simply press here south hey what's up. We run the program. First line is printed. After that, the second line also printed without breaking the line. After that, hey what's up is printed, and so before printing this, it adds the new line and prints hello world. So in this tutorial session, we looked how to print our first Java program. I hope that you have clearly understood how the main method in Java works, and in the next tutorial session, we're gonna look for data types in Java. Till then, goodbye.